So hey guys, welcome back to the incredible series of Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. So this is the episode number 7. If you didn't watch the previous episode, you can go and comment. The previous videos link are there in comment also and description also, so you can check out. So in last episode we saw that how Desmond able to fix the Animus machine, and we came back to this France, the main story of Ezio, the ancestor story. And in last episode we both saw that how he got fainted in the route, and a lady helped her and told him to meet a man whose name is Michivelli. If you don't remember who is Michivelli, is the person where we met in the Auditor Villa. That person scolded him, Ezio, to not to forgive Borgia people because he knows that they will finally attack back to the peoples of Auditor, and that happens. They kill Uncle Mario, and now the Ezio came back to meet the Michivelli who lives in France and take revenge from the Borgia people. So these are 4 or 5 guards roaming around here. Ezio heard something about the France, the Borgia peoples, the main prince of the Borgia kingdom. They are the guards of the Borgia. So he heard that some plans, or accordingly, I didn't read that, but he started following them because they will the suspects, or they will the person definitely helped him to reach the main prince of that Borgia to take revenge. Definitely in revenge we have to kill him because last time Ezio forgave him, and what happened? He killed Uncle Mario. Katrina, where is Katrina? Yeah, I remember. Maybe I think the Prince of Borgia took the Katrina with her to the France. That's why we as Ezio came back. So here Ezio, the main character, is taking hideout in the persons in the crowd. He's trying to hide, so these guards can't suspect him that someone is following. You can see this gray, the interface showing that we are under safe circumstances and Borgia people can't see us. But as I told you in last episode, we saw that he took the prince as Prince of Borgia. The cruel man took the Katrina, so we have to save Katrina too. I see. We can able to snatch the money of these local peoples too by pressing space, but they can able to detect. They see they are going backwards by seeing me because they know that I am the thief who steals their money. So they are not helping me anymore in hiding. Oh no, shit! I think I got suspected. Okay, by a chance I got. Okay, why? Okay, so this is the time that they started to fight because I am the assassin, and these guards are starting to kill the local people. So, as assassin, I can't see this, so I have to kill all of these. There are 4, and they are, you can see in the right side, they are trying to kill the local peoples. So, how they are surviving? The prince guards killing its own citizens. What is happening here? I don't know what happened here and why they are killing them. What happened here? Okay, this man is crying. What happened to him?
She
Okay.
was beautiful.
She was, until that porco defiled her. I wish he'd just killed her. I wish he'd just killed La Mia Amata. People who saw her grow up cheered when he spat on her. Smiles on their faces when her neck...
I understand.
How can you? My Livia was innocent.
I have lost family to the rope, to treachery.
Il Carnefice watches from his home on the hill above. He threatens to hang me if I cut her rope.
Okay, so here is the scene.
When you are ready, take her down. I will deal with Il Carnefice.
So this is not a country, France, like we think. I thought that a normal place. Here locals killed by the army of their peoples, of Borgia peoples. Here you saw that a girl hanged on the rope. Why? I don't know. There is not a reason, but a pig, he told that a pig, porco, in his French language, that he killed her beloved, her daughter. Don't know why, but everybody saw her to get hanging on the rope and everybody enjoyed. So just as you said that I can take that as my love because I also suffered through these kind of shit, but The man told him, how can you make this like happening? How are you feeling like that what I feel? So he told everybody, we all knows what happened to Uncle Mario. He also got killed by Borgia people, so nobody understands well than him. But here's the time, he promised that man that he will kill that pork, I mean that pig, he will kill him. But how? And even that killing, before killing, he took that killing agreement, because that man told him that the cruel pork told him not to cut the rope of her daughter because she will hang all over the night. But this man told him to, when you are ready, cut the rope, I will take care of that pork. So here we are going to confront the man who killed that pretty girl. Don't know the reason why he killed, and not even killed, because that man told, I wish that they kill him, just kill him, but they are not killing, they just hanged her. So everybody knows normal killing or hanging, how much the difference, because hanging makes more pain in your neck, that neck breaks from there, so this is more painful, so nobody wants that kind of death. But here we are in the region of that pork, Kafir Sair something name. Here is the task of my assassin. I will beg him, I will make him beg and kill him with my hands. So there are 4 or 5 persons, like there is more than that. So finally I think he saw me, something like that, yeah. So there is 1 2 3 4. So this is the person who looks like demon. If you watch WWE, there is a man named Kane. I think he play for fight or not this time, but when I was younger he used to fight. So the man behind with an axe, is that the pork that I have to kill that made that girl to hang on the rope? So first of all I will kill her, because this is not I supposed to that France is like a normal place. They are doing these things to my auditor palace only, but their palace and their area is like to feeling shit also. So I have to make this good. I will kill all of them. So here's the turn of this pork. Yeah, he gone. I just took my knife, assassin's knife, from my fist and took into her neck. So the legendary dialogue of Ezio, rest in peace. So finally I killed him. I thought it's look pretty harder for me to kill him because there are so many guards around me, but it's not like that. I killed him very easily. But first of all, before going to anywhere, I have to know about the fighting skills, know about different weapons, because I am new to this game and don't know anything about this. So finally this is the time. So before starting this video, I told you in the last video a girl who saved him, but Ezio told him, this is not your work. I think you can't able to handle me. I mean, you are not able to took me from there and place in your house. So he told her there is a man, that Michivelli, his friend, that took him here and gave his assassin's cloth and told him to meet there. Some place there is a mark, you can exclamation mark in your map. You can see this. There is Michivelli and I have to meet him. So before that, I have to go to Michivelli, and I think there is a mark due to Michivelli meets or something else. I don't know. We will find out by going to that place definitely. But here's the time. We killed that finally, the pork, but there is not a good nation, I think. Okay, this is a tailor building. So this is a something like shop that over controlled of Borgia. Okay, so we didn't met Michivelli yet. The task is that there is a building, that Borgia Tower, that every specific place there is a Borgia Tower in whole the France. So we have to kill the Borgia peoples around the Borgia Tower and to put fire on the Borgia Tower in order to open the shops, because locals are frightened to open the shop because Borgia peoples are there. So I think we can do this in next video. For now, hope you are doing well. Do subscribe the channel for next videos. Thanks for watching. Meet you in next video. Subscribe and comment which is the best part you found. Meet you in next video. Bye.